Grocery prices are up 36% since 2019. The FTC opened a federal investigation into how stores charge you more based on your personal data. Corporate profit margins in grocery hit a 20-year record. Same year, your bill went up. Walmart is right now installing price tags that can change, silently, across every store in the country in seconds. This is not inflation. This is a system built on your data, designed to find the exact price you'll pay before you walk away. You know the feeling. You're standing in the cereal aisle. The box looks the same logo, same spot on the shelf, but the price went up. Again. And somewhere in the back of your head, you wonder if you're just bad at this. You're not. The system was just better at hiding it than you were at seeing it. First, something I need to say directly to you. You're not bad at budgeting. You're not spending too much on coffee. You're not failing to adult correctly. You are someone trying to buy food in a system that spent billions of dollars figuring out the exact maximum it can charge you before you walk away. Not the average person, not a demographic, you. Look at what happened to fast food in 2024. McDonald's missed earnings, Starbucks missed. KFC and Taco Bell's parent company reported their worst traffic numbers in years. Not because people stopped wanting food, because a value meal that cost $5 crept to $8, then $12, then in some markets, $15. Millions of people, separately, on their own, just looked at the menu and quietly walked away. That wasn't a protest. Nobody organized anything. That was a population hitting its limit at the same time. But here's what the companies took from that moment. They didn't learn we charged too much. They learned we need better data. So we know exactly how much each person will pay before they stop. Picture the store. Everything looks the same as it always has. But look at the price tags. They're not paper anymore. They're screens, connected to a central system. They can change across every aisle, every store, nationally, in seconds. Walmart started rolling these out in 2024. March 2026, nationwide rollout announced. Official reason? Efficiency. Employees don't have to change paper tags by hand. That's partially true. It also gives them something else. The power to change the price based on the weather, the time of day, or how crowded the store is. Dynamic pricing. Surge pricing for your groceries. There are two layers to how this works. Layer 1, the shelf. What's on that screen is not the fair price, it's the ceiling. Raining outside? Last umbrella on the shelf? The system knows. The price adjusts upward, automatically. Layer 2, this is your loyalty app. You and your coworker are standing in the coffee aisle. The shelf says $10. You open the app. You got a deal, $7. Your coworker opens the app. Their deal, $9. Same shelf, same product, same moment, different prices. The discount you got is not a discount. It is the exact number the algorithm calculated as the lowest price it needs to show you to make sure you still buy. Here's why. You rarely buy that brand. The algorithm knows you need convincing, so it showed you a number that would tip you over. Your coworker buys it every week. The algorithm knows they'll buy it regardless, so it gave them less. The discount you got is not a discount. It is the exact number the algorithm calculated as the lowest price it needs to show you, to make sure you still buy. Senator Elizabeth Warren called this out in a Senate investigation. Kroger was combining its digital shelf system with Microsoft AI and loyalty card data to price groceries, her words, like airline tickets. Kroger's response, "We're just trying to help customers save money." Here's the part nobody mentions. You gave them the data, not because you were careless, because standing at a checkout, tired after a long day, looking at a total that's higher than you budgeted, 50 cents off is real. The loyalty app is not a discount program. It is a data barter system. In the UK, Tesco's Club Card makes items 30 to 40% cheaper for members, which means non-members pay 30 to 40% more for the same item. That's not a premium for luxury, that's a privacy penalty. This is not a conspiracy. This is a system doing exactly what it was optimized to do. Optimized on your data.
To extract the maximum amount of profit right before you reach your breaking point.
They aren't just selling you food anymore. They are mathematically engineering your acceptance. Now here's where it gets interesting. All of this is being watched. July 2024, the FTC formally asked 8 major companies to explain exactly how they use personal shopping data to set individual prices. Kroger earns more money from selling your purchase data to brands than from selling you groceries. Let me say that again. A company whose entire identity is built on selling you food makes more money from information about how you buy food than from the food itself. The store is the ad, you are the audience, and they're being paid twice. They built the arena, they set the prices on every side of it, and every exit leads back to them.
So what do you do with all of this?
I'm not going to tell you to delete your loyalty apps or boycott anything. This is about the gap between what you're told and what's actually happening. You were told inflation is under control. You were told the app saves you money. And now you know that none of those things are exactly true. A system that extracts value only keeps working if the people inside it can't see the mechanism. So the only real question is this. Now that you see it, what are you going to do differently?